Today, I'm going to break down boat pose. Now, when you hear the word boat, there's actually a couple different ways to do this pose. I am going to do the prone position, or a lying down version of boat pose. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to come on your belly and go ahead and place your forehead on the mat, pointing your toes. We're going to extend our arms forward. On an inhalation, we're going to lift up. Make sure you're pulling through the belly. Breathe through the pose. You want to hold the pose 3 to 5 breaths, and then go ahead and release the pose. Go ahead and bring your hands by your ears and bring up your feet. We're going to do windshield wipers. So go ahead and put your left temple on the mat and just do some windshield wipers. And then turn your right temple to the mat, doing the same. Windshield wipers are a great way to release the lower back anytime that you're doing back bends. Make sure for boat pose, you do not do this in the evening. So back bends are very energizing in the body, and they can make you not sleep. So make sure that you do any type of back bend, including boat pose, in the morning or earlier on in the day. Please let me know, do you like doing boat pose in the prone position or lying down? Or would you prefer to do boat pose the opposite way? Let me know. The benefits of boat pose are it rejuvenates the body. It also brings fresh blood into the lower organs. It's a great pose to strengthen your back and your arms. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification button.